Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I highly recommend watching the video where we talked about donuts. Now let's test what you've learned. Were donuts first created in the United States? No. They were introduced by Dutch settlers in the 1600s. Did donuts originally have holes in the center? No. The original versions did not have holes. Was the donut hole invented to make them look better? No. It was invented to help the dough cook evenly. Were donut girls part of World War II? No. They served donuts during World War I. Did American soldiers hate donuts after the war? No, they loved them and brought that love back home. Was Dunkin' Donuts one of the chains that made donut popular? Yes, it helped popularize donuts in the US. Are donuts only eaten for dessert in America? No, they're often eaten as part of breakfast. Is coffee rarely paired with donuts? No. Coffee and donuts are a classic combo. Do donuts come in only one flavor? No, they come in many different varieties. Is Homer Simpson known for eating salads? No, he's famous for loving donuts. Watch this video a few more times, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the next videos in this amazing English and American culture learning series. See you in the next adventure.